Welcome to a quick demo of the Change Impacts Analysis tool in OCMS Portal. You can access the Change Impacts Analysis tool either from the Tools on the left sidebar or from Phase 1 Assess. The Change Impacts Analysis tool helps you analyze how employee groups will be uniquely impacted by the change. This information is used on the reporting analytics to show things like change saturation for projects and groups. When you first open the Change Impacts Analysis tool in OCMS Portal, it'll be empty until you add a change. Projects will typically include more than one change. For example, a software adoption project may include a technology change and a policy change. Changes also impact different groups. To start using the tool and add your first change, click on Add a Change button. This will bring up the Add a New Change pop-up where you can start entering change-related information. Enter a unique impact title under the name of change. Select the audiences affected by this specific impact. You can choose how you'd like to assess audiences through group or department name, role, location, etc. Determining change impacts by employee group allows change leaders to understand how to prepare and support employees through the change. Next, detail relevant current state and future state information. Select the change types. A change can have one or more types. For example, a change involving new cybersecurity procedures might include types compliance and policy, meaning the change is impacting both areas in the organization. Designating change types helps leaders understand which types of changes are impacting their departments or regions. If all of the selected audiences aren't being impacted at the same level, then move the slider to Different Impact Level for different groups. Enter the level of impacts to the group for this change by selecting High, Medium, or Low. High level of impacts demand significant audience attention and action. It is highly disruptive to the current state. For example, change impacts jobs, role, or supervisor alignment. Medium level of impact requires focused attention. Failure to address it leads to reduced adoption or performance. Example, process or policy changes. Low level of impacts need minimal attention. The impacted audiences may notice but would likely adapt on their own. Failure to adopt has no significant impact on performance. You can find all of this information in the tooltip accompanying What is the level of impact? Once you've added all information regarding the change, click on the Save button. Once saved, the changes will display on the page, along with the impacted groups and their level of impact. If at any point you need to make any adjustments to one or more of the changes in the Change Impact Analysis tool, simply click on the pencil icon to edit the change. Once you're done with your updates, click on the Save button. The outputs of this tool make up the most critical inputs into your change management strategy document and drive insightful reports on your change metrics reports. And that concludes a quick demo of the Change Impacts Analysis tool in OCMS Portal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time, and we'll be happy to help.